Good morning, Read 180. Welcome back to your last assignment for this quarter. You will have the next 2 weeks to get caught up on missing assignments before I enter in final grades for the fourth quarter. So use this time wisely. Make sure that everything after week 3 is submitted and turned in to me so that I can enter in your grades on Progress Book. I've been working really hard to kind of keep up on this, so make sure that you're keeping me current too, because I do make mistakes. We all know that. So if I have missed something, please let me know that I missed it, and I will go back and recheck it out and enter in your grade for you. If you guys need any further help on assignments, please make sure that you are reaching out to me via email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so for today's assignment, and this is an important one, you will be writing a letter to yourself, journaling about everything that is going on right now. So this pandemic has really shook up our world and turned everything upside down. You guys are going to become the experts on this topic. I really want you guys to work hard and think about what you will write in this letter and make sure that you are not leaving anything out. I want to know everything. And trust me, when you're older and you look back on this time, this will be a very valuable letter for you. So let's look at the actual assignment together, shall we? Okay. Today you will be writing a letter to your future self, 2 or 3 paragraphs. So guys, take that as it is, 2 or 3 paragraphs. So you are either going to write 10 to 15 sentences. This doesn't have to be that difficult, okay? You can do this. You're going to be talking about what life is or has been like during this pandemic. This letter should be 10 or more sentences, like I mentioned. Be creative. Remember that you guys will become the experts on life during this time because you will have lived through it. So I even have some starter questions here for you to think about. What has been occurring within our state? What measures have people been asked to take during this time in order to stay safe? How has your life changed during this time? What have you been noticing about the habits of others? So think about shopping, hygiene, communication. I know me personally, I have more Zoom meetings than I've ever had before because I can't physically have a meeting with somebody. And so the way I communicate is through Zoom or Google Hangout. Okay, so make sure that you guys are talking about all of these questions within your letter. Remember to start your letter with either Dear Future Self or Dear Your Name and end with Sincerely. Okay, remember this is the structure of a letter. So in order to get full credit, you will need to start with Dear and end with Sincerely. You're going to be typing out your letter down here in the box. And remember, please follow the guidelines. I want everyone to get full credit on this assignment. Okay? As for distance learning, it's a wrap, you guys. You made it. I'm so proud of all of you. You worked so hard. Make sure that you're looking back through your assignments, and if there is anything that you would like to resubmit to gain more points, that is perfectly okay with me. Just make sure that you're letting me know. Okay? And other than that, you guys, that's all I've got for you. I'm so proud of you yet again, and thanks for an amazing year, you guys. You really, truly made my first year a good one. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful year next year, and come back and visit me. Okay, I always want to see how you are doing because you're constantly in my thoughts. All right. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Bye.